Hi everyone, Tiffany here. I just wanted to show you guys these really cool K-Blings that Wow Stuff sent us. Wow Stuff are the creators of Invisibility Cloak for Harry Potter. They also make the light wand that we reviewed on our channel last summer. So I was super excited to get these oddities because I am not a wireless person. I still love being tethered to like my mouse or even to my controller when I still play classic Nintendo. Yes, that is my original Nintendo controller. And of course I charge my phone with my wire. So let's get these open. These are called K-Blings. This is their own line of oddities. Oh, we already got it open, our mystery one. It's actually a slice of cake, super cute. He's got like little googly eyes, he's adorable. And what the way these work is, you can put the wire in between. There we go. Cute. Now my wire's all dressed up. Let's put our watermelon. This one's a little bit more flexible than that piece of cake. To attach, so all you do is you would just like split this area here. You see the way it opens? And then you can attach it like that to your wire. I can have like this little oddity over here hanging from my wire. And they're not too heavy, so it's not like adding extra weight or anything. It's really adorable elephant. Finally, this one. Oh, we got little flamingos. A lot of fun. Really cute. Let's see what the blind bags hold. They're 12 to collect in all, and these are emoji ones. I hope we get the poop one. Who did we get? Ah, looks like we got like a nervous one. Next is, oh yes, we got the poop emoji. That's what I wanted. There he is. And here are the other ones that you can collect. So there's 12 to collect in all. Oh, the thumbs up and the devil and the monkey are rare ones. Who did we get? Oh, and we got this one with his tongue sticking out. So funny. Emojis. We have the one with the crying and laughing face, and we have the cool one with the sunglasses, and a mystery one. Who do we get? We got the unicorn. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. The wire goes to the unicorn's mouth, and then we have the cool one and the laughing and crying emoji. And finally, we have one more blind bag, and this is the Oddities line of K-Blings. What do we get? Oh my gosh, we got another unicorn. So stinking cute. Here's the checklist of all of the oddities that you can collect. We got the rare one, and there's also an epic frog and another rare sloth. Thanks so much, Wow Stuff, for sending us all these cool K-Blings to decorate our wires and bling them out. If you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to like our videos, and please follow us on Instagram at ToBeToys. Thanks for watching, and thanks again, Wow Stuff. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like our video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.